I have discussed
It is there in the para.
the
It is there in
utilization.
the para, sir.
See, utilization we told about the funds utilization was range from 44 to 50%. Okay, that is detail is there in para chapter.
Right.
If you see chapter 2 financial management, so this is one of item. Many items are there, so you can see that. So that is utilization.
That I know that.
Caught allowances during 2018 to 23. However, 380, which is 2.3% eligible children with special needs in 3 sample districts were deprived of this benefit, as the DPCs had transferred the allowances to dormant or wrong account of the children with special needs parents. This is para 4.1.2. Further, the 10 sample block education officers had identified 1458 children with special needs through medical assessment camps during 2018 to 23 who required assistive aids and appliances. In 30 to 26% schools, ramp facilities did not exist, while 31 to 44% schools lacked children with special needs friendly toilets facility during 2018 to 23. Another para, the state had made provisions for imparting self-defense training to girls of 22,037 to 21,956 schools during 2018 to 23. However, only 3,363 to 21,943 schools were provided with funds for conducting these self-defense classes, resulting in shortfall in provision of funds in 13 to 19,260 schools. Further details are given in this paras with more details. Coming to chapter 5 on infrastructure and facilities, the department could not ensure availability of prescribed infrastructure in the government and government area schools. Large number of schools were functioning without conforming to infrastructure norms as of March 2023. This chapter 5 is full of those issues which you can see. Further, the adverse student classroom ratio was noticed in 5,443, which is 12% in primary, 5,603, which is 24% in upper primary, 3,725, which is 42% in the secondary, and 681 schools, which is 57% in the higher secondary schools. The students were found sitting on the floor due to absence of furniture, which is detailed in para 5.2 and 5.3. More details are there in chapter 5 on infrastructure. Coming to chapter 6 on teachers and teachers training, during 2018 to 23, 21,958, which is 48% in the primary school, 10,022, which is 43% in upper primary, 6 schools, which is 10% in secondary, and 527 schools, which is higher secondary schools of the state had adverse pupil to teacher ratio in these categories. 877 is secondary and higher secondary schools for vocational education during 2018 to 23. The department introduced vocational education in 642 schools. Besides, 113 secondary and higher secondary schools running vocational education did not have functional laboratory facilities. The details are in para 7.3.1 and 7.3.1.1. Coming to chapter 8, which is students' entitlement, the state supplied free uniforms to 14.98 lakh, which is 98% students, out of 18.49 lakh eligible students during 2018-23, and remaining 3.5 lakh students were deprived of the benefit. The detail is para 8.1. Similarly, there were delays in books also supply. Further, 1.73 lakh, which is 6%, students were deprived of bicycle incentives in the state. In test check of 42 schools, 1671 students, 11% were deprived of the benefit during 2018 to 23. In chapter 9, which is monitoring, there was shortfall of review of progress of implementation of Samagra Shiksha scheme by executive committee during 2018-23. The EC had met only 4 times during 2018-23 against the requirement of 20 meetings. In 14 out of 77 sample schools, the school management committees were functioning with members ranging from 10 to 18 against the requirement of 19 members. The state had not constituted the research approval committee for approving research and evaluation studies for assessment of the impact of the scheme. So details are there, so you can look into whether various tables are there. So and executive summary is also there, so you can go through. Recommendations are also there. There are 25 recommendations are there, which is given in the Roman page 9 to 11. So that also you can see. So it is fully explained one. I don't feel any difficulty with there. ये हम लोग क्या है, जो हम लोग ऑडिट करते हैं तो हम लोग रिपोर्ट जैसा रेडी होता है प्लेस करते जाते हैं। तो अब ये रिपोर्ट जो हमारा हुआ है वो स्कूल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट पर स्कूल पर था, वो हमने ले हुआ है। बाकी और भी रिपोर्ट होते हैं जैसे पहले भी हुआ था, तो ये चलता रहा ऐसे जब ले होता है तो हम लोग करते हैं। देखिए ये दिस इज़ नॉट 1 year, दिस इज़ फॉर लाइक 5 years असेसमेंट। सो इफ़ यू गो थ्रू यू विल फाइंड दैट वेरियस इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आर ऑल्सो देयर। So those are there, but still gaps are there, which is like shortfalls are there. As per the Right to Education Act, Right to Free and Compulsory Education Act is there, which has to be done. So as per that, the gaps are there, which need to be focused, and we have to bridge the gap.
This is backlog comments 18 to 23. This
Yes.
is backlog audit. Backlog audit.
Actually, we do audit currently. So for 5 years, various scopes are there. So till 23, whatever audit was there, 5 years, that report is being published.
Means old government.
Of that period is you can always
Yes, old government.
go through.
You can go.
टॉपिक जो है हमारे ऐसा नहीं कि एग्जैक्टली 5 साल में ही आते हैं, है ना। आपको टॉपिक वो हो सकता है कि 5 साल पहले से पहले कवर हुआ हो, तो एग्जैक्टली वो 5 साल का गैप नहीं हो सकता है कि हो। तो लेकिन जो हमारा टॉपिक कवर है वो आपको डिटेल हम देख सकते हैं, है ना, कि पहले कब लास्ट कवर हुआ था। जो CAG हमारे रिपोर्ट जो बनते हैं, उस रिपोर्ट को जो है ना, जैसे प्लेस होने के बाद जो है ये ऑनरेबल पब्लिक अकाउंट कमेटी और है ना, जो PSUs हैं तो कमिटी ऑन पब्लिक अंडरटेकिंग, इनका रोल होता है, वो डिस्कस करते हैं। तो फिर वो एक्शन टेकन नोट्स फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट मांगते हैं, हम उसको वेट करते हैं, उसमें जो कमियां होती है फिर उसको हम लोग फिर डिस्कस करते हैं। तो जिस डिपार्टमेंट का होगा तो वो उसमें फिर PSC चूँकि उनके ये रोल में आता है, फिर वो बुलाते हैं कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट को और वहाँ पर उनसे फर्दर एग्जामिनेशन ओरल एविडेंस करते हैं। तो हमारा रोल जो है, जो CAG का रोल होता है कि हम रिपोर्ट लेजिस्लेचर को हम प्लेस कर देते हैं, विद द लेजिस्लेचर के फिर एक्शन जो कमिटीज़ है वो टेक करते हैं।